Today I will be doing a quick overview of the single-track mountain bike trails at Yellow Creek State Park's North Shore, located in Penn Run, Pennsylvania, roughly 70 miles northeast of Pittsburgh. Remember, if you find this video helpful and entertaining, please remember to subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel grow. Click the bell and you will be notified for future uploads. Post any questions or suggestions in the comments below, and thanks for watching. The trails at Yellow Creek State Park are pretty much divided into two sections, the North Shore and the South Shore, although many prefer to ride them as a complete loop around the lake. The trails mostly progress through woodlands with a nice balance of flow and climbing, as well as technical sections with lots of roots and rocks. We began our ride from Route 422 on the North Shore side, heading westward toward the breast of Yellow Creek Dam. Less than a quarter of a mile in, we were greeted with some nice janky rock gardens which were fun to session and try different lines on. The first section of the trail is extremely rocky and progresses to some mostly rooty flow trail, with some rocky areas as the trails progress. All of the trails seem to be well marked and maintained. There are many service roads as well as secondary roads to bail on in the event of a mechanical failure, weather changes, sudden darkness, or if you just plain wuss out. Whatever your reason, you can make very good time on these roads to get back to your vehicle as they are somewhat level. If you make it to the breast of the dam and you feel like making the entire loop, expect to get your feet wet, as there is no bridge at the bottom of the outflow and you will need to wade across Yellow Creek and carry your bike. Yellow Creek State Park is open to hunting, so riding is discouraged during these hunting seasons. The complete loop around Yellow Creek Lake is about 21 miles, but has many opportunities to bail out without having to commit to the entire loop around the 720-acre lake. Construction of these trails officially started in 2004 and could not be made possible without the hard work and dedication of groups such as LHORBA, which is the Laurel Highlands On and Off-Road Bicycling Association, Friends of Yellow Creek, Ride YC, and the cooperation of DCNR Yellow Creek State Park, which I will link in the description below. If you are in the area, I would highly recommend giving these trails a try, as there is something to challenge every level of rider. So where are your favorite places to ride? I'd love to hear about them in the comments below, and we'll maybe review them in future videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Subscribing is free and it is the lifeblood of any YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.